Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tighten bicycle brake levers. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. Now basically the idea when you're tightening a bicycle brake lever, the idea is that you want to remember outward. So you want to turn the barrel adjusters outward. Now obviously there are more intense ways to tighten a bicycle brake lever. You can go to the brakes themselves, but this is like the fastest and easiest way. And if you want to make, for the most part, a relatively minor adjustment to tighten it or loosen it, this is going to be how it's done through the barrel adjusters. And this video is about tightening it, not loosening it. So we're going to stick to tightening it, okay? Loosening it is for another video. So essentially you want to get the barrel adjusters and bring them outward. So here's a bicycle brake lever right here, okay? You can see it is relatively loose, okay? I can get the lever and I can bring it all the way to the handlebar if I squeeze tightly enough. Now I'm going to get the barrel adjuster and I'm going to bring it outward. So away from the lever, outward. So I'm going to turn it, if I'm looking at it this, I'm turning it counterclockwise, okay? That is bringing it outward. I'm going to keep turning it counterclockwise, bringing it outward. You don't want to go too much because obviously there's a limit to how much you can do this, right? But I've really brought it outward, okay? And now when I squeeze this lever, you're going to see it's going to be tighter, okay? So look at this. Now it is absolutely tighter. I can even go a little bit more if I wanted to. And it's even tighter. So the lever right now, I'm squeezing like as hard as I can with the same amount of force, and there's enough of a gap right here that it's not touching the handlebar. Okay? Now I'm not saying this that maybe you want to tighten yours more in terms of like maybe this is still too loose for you. Then you're gonna have to go to the brakes and do additional adjustments on the actual brakes themselves. But if you're talking about minor adjustments or micro adjustments, essentially you can use the barrel adjusters. And when it comes to tightening a bicycle brake lever, like I just showed you, you want to remember outward. The barrel adjuster has to go outward. That is how to tighten a bicycle brake lever. So that's it. This has been an easy tutorial showing you and telling you specifically how to tighten a bicycle brake lever. Once again, when you're tightening, remember outward. You're going to take the barrel adjuster and then bring it outward. Simple as that. That's how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. And I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.